In this video, I wanted to talk to you guys about Cloudways hosting. So Cloudways offers a cloud hosting solution. And if you don't know what that is, basically it's just a faster, more robust alternative to shared web hosting, where with shared web hosting, there's one physical server that has tons of different websites on it. This server is maintained by the hosting provider, whereas with cloud hosting, your server is kind of in the cloud, right? So it's not dedicated to one physical server that's also being crowded with other websites. So it's a lot more robust, and if you're getting any traffic to your website, then you're going to want to upgrade to cloud hosting basically. So I tell most people to start with shared web hosting because the majority of website owners never really get any traffic to their website. But if you do start getting traffic, then if you were to get like a spike in traffic one day, your shared web hosting could actually crash. And sometimes the shared web hosting providers will completely shut down your website if you're getting too much traffic. So you want to have, you don't want that to happen, and you want your website to be loading as quickly as possible. So that's really why you should consider something like Cloudways, because a lot of the hosting providers that you've probably heard of do offer a cloud hosting solution. But as you're about to see here, this is probably my favorite one because it's not only the best price, but it's also the best performing. So first things first, I just wanted to show you what it looks like when you've created an account. So you do get a free trial. So here's the home page. You can start a free trial just to try it out and set up a server. And so it's really easy to get started. I recommend starting with DigitalOcean, and then you can select your WordPress version and name your server and stuff like that. But it's really, you can set up WordPress as well. So it's very reasonable. So the pricing. So as you can see, you can actually start your own server for just $10 a month, guys. This is insane. Like, I'm gonna compare this to other prices in a sec, and you're gonna see that like nowhere else will you ever find a price this low. So honestly, at this point, I recommend getting your website on Cloudways for anyone. Even if you're a beginner, you should still just start on the $10 a month plan, because your website's going to be loading a lot quicker, and that's going to help you rank up your website much quicker than using a slower shared web hosting service. So let's say you were to start cloud hosting with SiteGround. So the very entry-level plan here is $80 a month. You get 2 CPU cores, 4 gigabytes memory, 40 gigabytes SSD space, and a 5 terabyte data transfer. Now, let's see here, 4 gigabytes memory. That's only $42 a month with Cloudways, guys. It's literally half the price. You get 4 gigabytes RAM, 80 gigabytes SSD, 4 terabytes transfer, 2-core processor. So you actually get more. You get double the SSD, the solid state drive space, so you get more storage, you get a lot better performance, and you pay way less. So it's really a no-brainer. I mean, if you've been considering cloud hosting, then Cloudways is definitely the way to go. And just to even look at another alternative, let's say you were to do something like VPS hosting, virtual private server hosting on something like Bluehost. Even then, this is not going to perform nearly as well as having your own server on Cloudways, by the way. But just to compare it, you're paying $42 a month, and this goes up to $84 a month after plan renewals. So this does look like a good deal at first, and it is a pretty good deal. but it literally doubles in price when you have to renew your plan. So it's really not as good. You're not getting nearly as much bandwidth, and you're getting less storage. It's not as good. So Cloudways is really the way to go here, guys. And you can start your free trial and just see like if you like it. And if you're not getting a whole lot of traffic, you can just start with the $10 monthly plan. And you can choose your server location as well. And it's a little different than getting set up with shared web hosting, and you might need to contact the support because it's just sometimes it can take a little more technical knowledge to get everything set up. But if you're starting a new website on here, you're going to have no problem. If you're migrating, then you might want to reach out to support and they'll do it for you. But yeah, so if you upgrade here to the 2 GB RAM, 50 GB SSD, you're only paying $22 a month. And as you scale up, like the pricing just stays very reasonable, right? And there's tons of different plans available, and you can change your plan, right? So if you need to upgrade later, then you can start at a low plan for now and then upgrade as necessary. And there are different servers available, so you can do Amazon, a few others. I recommend DigitalOcean. In my opinion, it's the best one to go with. But yeah, so guys, this is a great cloud hosting service. It's the best one in my opinion. And if you want to get signed up and start your free trial, I got a link below this video, and you can just start your free trial there and just test it out and see how it goes for you. So thanks, and thank you for checking out this review video, and I hope you enjoyed it.